In recent years, AI-powered attacks have become increasingly sophisticated, posing new threats to cybersecurity. Tactics like deepfake phishing use artificial intelligence to create highly convincing video or audio messages, deceiving even the most vigilant individuals. Automated malware generation allows attackers to craft and deploy new strains at unprecedented speed. AI-driven systems can rapidly analyze massive datasets to uncover exploitable vulnerabilities faster than ever before. As these attacks evolve, traditional defenses struggle to keep pace, making detection and mitigation significantly more challenging. It's no longer just hackers in hoodies working in the dark. Today, AI has entered the cybercrime scene, and it's changing the game at a terrifying speed. We're talking about deepfake phishing emails so realistic they can mimic a CEO's voice or face on a Zoom call, tricking employees into wiring millions. Then there's automated malware, created by AI algorithms that can generate endless variations of code to bypass antivirus systems in seconds. What's worse, these systems don't sleep, they don't take breaks. They scan and exploit vulnerabilities in massive datasets faster than any human attacker ever could. And because AI learns from every failed attempt, it evolves in real time, making traditional security tools feel like bringing a knife to a gunfight. The real challenge now isn't just blocking the attacks, it's identifying them in the first place. These AI-driven threats can morph, adapt, and hide like never before, leaving cybersecurity teams scrambling to keep up. This isn't a future scenario. It's happening right now in banks, tech firms, even government agencies. The quantum computing threat. Imagine a world where all your encrypted data, your banking logins, confidential government files, even your WhatsApp chats, could be unlocked in seconds. That's the terrifying promise of quantum computing. Unlike today's classical computers, which handle data in bits, quantum computers use qubits that can exist in multiple states at once, enabling them to solve problems that would take even the fastest supercomputer millions of years. The danger? Algorithms like RSA and ECC, which currently protect almost all digital communication, would be obliterated by a powerful quantum machine. Google's quantum supremacy experiment in 2019 already showed us that quantum speed is no longer a sci-fi concept. When quantum machines hit full maturity, something experts believe could happen as early as the 2030s, today's encryption will be child's play to crack. That means hackers could steal encrypted data now just to decrypt it later. Financial institutions, militaries, and health systems are at risk. This is why global initiatives like NIST's post-quantum cryptography project are racing to build quantum-resistant encryption standards before it's too late. It's not just about staying ahead. It's about protecting the digital foundation of everything we rely on. Staying ahead of the curve, strategies for resilience. Let's be honest, no firewall or AI system is enough if the basics aren't in place. The first line of defense? Strong password hygiene. It sounds simple, but weaker reused passwords are still one of the top reasons accounts get breached. Combine that with multi-factor authentication, and you've instantly made it exponentially harder for attackers to break in, even if they have your credentials. But that's just step one. The software you use daily, from your browser to your operating system, is constantly being poked at by hackers for zero-day vulnerabilities. That's why regular updates and patches aren't optional anymore. They're your silent guardians. And let's not forget the human factor. No matter how advanced your tech is, a single click on a phishing email can take everything down. That's where continuous security awareness training comes in. Teaching your team how to spot scams, avoid risky behaviors, and stay alert to evolving threats. Cyber resilience isn't a one-time checklist. It's a culture, a mindset, and a daily habit in today's threat landscape. The human factor in cybersecurity. When it comes to cybersecurity, the biggest vulnerability isn't always code. It's people. Even the most secure system can crumble if the humans using it aren't aware of the risks. That's why building a proactive security culture inside an organization is not just important, it's essential. Every employee, from the intern to the CEO, plays a role. Security awareness training isn't just a compliance checkbox. It's a way to turn every individual into a human firewall. Imagine if one trained employee spots a phishing attempt and reports it. That could prevent a company-wide breach. But even with the best precautions, incidents will happen. That's where a solid incident response plan comes into play. When chaos hits, it's the difference between a minor disruption and a full-blown crisis. The quicker you can detect, respond, and recover, the less damage your organization will face, both financially and reputationally. At the end of the day, tech can't replace responsibility, and cybersecurity is as much a human challenge as it is a technical one. As the threat landscape grows more complex, we also need to talk about the future, not just in fear, but in innovation. One promising frontier is blockchain technology, which offers tamper-proof, decentralized systems that could revolutionize how we secure data, verify identities, and ensure transparency. Imagine healthcare records that can't be altered, or supply to chains that can't be faked. That's the kind of future blockchain could power. But technology alone isn't enough. We also need to evolve our security standards, faster and smarter than the threats. From zero-trust architectures to quantum-resistant encryption, the security community is racing to set new norms that aren't just reactive, but predictive. And none of this can happen in silos. True progress will depend on collaboration between governments, private sector leaders, and academic researchers. Whether it's global cybersecurity frameworks or public-private threat intelligence sharing, we need everyone at the table. Because building a secure future isn't just a technical goal, it's a shared responsibility for every digital citizen.